Friends, virtual audience. Ay, hindi po ako kasali sa inyo. Dito ako sa likod. The champions of Life in Harmony InLife Chorale Fest 2022. Let's give it up for Sounds of Life!
Close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in the world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away. What the world could be, a vision of the one I see, a million dreams is all it's gonna take. Dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build, every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there's to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I lost our mind. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to the world that we
Again, that was our champion for Life in Harmony in Life Chorale Fest 2022, Sounds of Life! Congratulations, Sounds of Life! At maraming salamat to all of our chorale groups, One Voice Chorale, Himig in Life, VIP, the Southern Harmony, the Best You in Life, and of course, Sounds of Life, everybody. Thank you to our executives, esteemed guests here at Tanghalang, Haribon, and to our virtual attendees. Maraming salamat for making today another unforgettable gathering with InLife. We acknowledge those people who are behind this successful event. We wouldn't find our harmony if it weren't for you. Maraming salamat. Thank you to our executives and everyone who came here this afternoon.